Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve this problem. The question given here is that what is the greatest number that leaves same remainder in each case when divided by 265, 580 and 825. This is a very simple problem. Here the question is asking to find out the greatest number that leaves the same remainder when divided the number by 265, 580 and 825. What we have to do is we have to find the HCF, that to HCF model number 2. Here I am writing the formula to solve this problem. See here. Given three numbers are 265, 580 and 825. HCF of B minus A, C minus B and C minus A. We can take this as A, B and C. Now 580 minus 265 825 minus 580 825 minus 265. Now we get 580 minus 265 is equal to 315. 825 minus 580 is equal to 245. 825 minus 265 is equal to 560. We have to find the HCF of these three numbers. HCF of 315, 245 and 560. We have to write the factors here. 315, 3 into 3 into 7 into 5. The same way 245, the factors of 245, 7 into 5. In the same way we have to write for 560 also. 2 power 4 into 7 into 5. See, in these three the common factors are 7 into 5 is equal to 35. Therefore, our answer is equal to 35. 35 is the greatest number that leaves the same remainder in each case when divided by 265, 580 and 825. Thank you. Thanks for watching.